It was our friend's 16th birthday, and so he was behind us in his own car, and we were just like basically looking for an excuse to go driving because he had just gotten his license, and we were coming back home. Actually, we were like literally leaving, and it was the last turn before you get onto Shoveling Park that she didn't notice that there was a corner, and so we kind of slid out and hit a tree. I remember opening my eyes and the light being so bright that it physically hurt. I broke my pelvis and my sacrum, and then I had an avulsion fracture on my tibia, and then I had a traumatic brain injury. I spent a week in the hospital, so obviously I had quite a few medical bills, and the insurance of the person who was driving, she had the lowest coverage you could have, so it basically only covered my ambulance ride and like the first night in the hospital. And so without seeing an attorney, I probably would have had to pay a lot of money that it would have put me in debt, and then I would have had medical bills for the rest of my life. When I was doing my final settlement offers, I had to go and do counteroffers quite a few times, and Gary would help kind of walk me through the process of like what it would mean if I were to be like, oh no, I want more, or accept their offer. When I first met him, I didn't know that he'd been in an accident, and my dad kind of told me his story, and it made me feel better because I knew that he had been through the process that I'd been through, and I knew that would probably help him, like he'd want to help me as much as he could because he's been in my situation. I would say if you're looking for a lawyer who's not going to just be your lawyer and he's going to actually be your friend who's got you in his best interest, I would say go with Gary. Everything he did, he would call me first and be like, hey, here are your options, what do you want to do? Which was really awesome because it actually helped me learn a lot about the whole process. It was kind of comforting to know that like it wasn't just another case for him, it was something he's been through before.